One of the most important challenges what Indian companies face is the aesthetics. I will not say we fail, or that is where we don't give importance of having good aesthetics comparing to products which is manufactured in Europe or products which is manufactured in Japan or US. But if we can take care of that, so aesthetics not just come up with finishing, it starts with the beginning. So talking about managing the raw material, you see this absolutely amazing product can so many of raw materials we can keep. This is made possible by FLEDON Group, and we are having with us Glen and Arnold, who will tell us about their company and what they have displayed here. Hi Glen.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. First of all, let me congratulate you for the kind of aesthetics what you brought in your product.
Thank you.
So can you just talk about FLEDON?
FLEDON is a family-owned company which was started by my father and his brothers. It's a 40-year-old company. It was a vision. My father wanted to start something for India because everything was imported, and they thought that we should manufacture something in India. So the journey starts way beyond 40 years. It was completely an engineering company with all kind of machinery where we used to supply for all OEMs across India and majorly customers for the tractor industry. But later when we joined in, our major challenges was material handling, and when we were searching for our products, we never find a solution, because in India material handling was limited to forklift and racks, but it was not about the ergonomics, safety and things. Of course there are safety norms which are followed globally and in India, but I feel today that we developed this product with some of the collaborations from Europe, and now we are proudly manufacturing 100% in India. We want to export this. We are doing some exports, but now our vision is to manufacture it locally for global. So local to global, that is what we are looking forward.
Glen, you should be so proud about yourself, about your father, you know, how he started his brothers. Because when I first came to this stall, I never thought this is made in India. As I told you, unfortunately, I am also biased. Seeing a great product, we think first thing that, okay, it's an imported product. But when you say that, so this is a completely Indian made product, the proud, it goes high. So all congratulations to you and your entire team at FLEDON.
It's all our teamwork. It's only our teamwork.
And I want each and every manufacturer in India to come and see and get inspired and bring these kind of aesthetics there. Now, Arnold, I am seeing this particular product, right? So I think this is for the mold industry. It's very easy. And today I'm having a frozen shoulder actually, but still it is so easy. I'm not feeling the pain. And it can carry 1.5 ton of mold. So can you just tell me about this product?
Material handling is a very, very big concept. Since it's a very big concept, we don't want to make product which is standardized. Because the moment we standardize our product, we are limiting our service orientation to a lot of the industry specific. So we are open to customization as much as possible so that we can cater to a larger audience who may be in manufacturing, processing, or even trading for that matter. And I'm more than happy to inform you. We just last month we exported 6 units of this to Russia, and one of the reasons why we were able to get that order is because of what you mentioned rightly, is the aesthetic and the entire portfolio that we presented of history and the product presentation that we've given. So though there is competition globally, we were able to still serve an esteemed customer like in Russia. We may most probably get a repeat order. So coming back to this, we can customize it based on the requirement of the customer. But our paramount aspect whenever we get into a product like this, like Mr. Glen already stressed out, is safety. So we would rather not sell it to somebody who doesn't understand safety. Our objective of really selling it is we really like it to be as much as possible so that there is a mindset of safety and there is a mindset of really giving a lot of respect to your end workers. So, okay, workers are cheap, that is the mindset, but respect is due to them, and I think it's due for a long time. So we want to change and be a little bit of a global trenders to say that let's look at it in a very broad perspective, that by saving the physical fatigue of your worker, you're increasing his motivation. By increasing his motivation, you are getting your production optimization. By getting your production optimization, you are able to save revenue and plan for your bigger visions. So everything is linked, and we would like to be a part of this small chain of change in material handling. Because and this change, I guess, is going to be a long forth thing which is happening with the Indian industry today, with a lot of industries migrating from China, and we think we can be a sort of a catalyst of change, and we look forward to that and trying our best that we can with our expertise and experience so far.
So Arnold, you told that you were able to bag 7 export orders
That's right.
to Russia and other parts of the
That's
country. But what about our Indian manufacturers, mold manufacturers, adopting these kind of products?
See, again, like I said, the aspect is mindset. If your mindset is not there for safety, for durability of your product, then a concept selling, because what we are doing is we're not selling you a product, we're selling you a solution and a concept which may be very abstract in the mind of that particular prospective customer. So again, it boils down to what is their vision and mission in life for their industry. If they are planning growth and expansion, then we are able to have a small dialogue of how a small investment can enhance your business, increase your foothold in the industry, and also give you an opportunity to attract bigger customers, because not only are you respecting your workers, you're respecting the material which goes at the end of the start process of your end product. The whole process has to be taken as a whole rather than individually. So it starts with that mindset that yes, I respect material, and that material is the end product, which is great.
Yeah, I completely agree with you. So again, I am trying to find out, why this. If I can ask this particular gentleman who is looking at some of the products. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, I'm from Machine Maker. I thought I will just ask you. You are checking out these products. So these products, I think you just tried to pull that off. How you find the easiness of?
Very easy.
So you are from which company?
I'm from Patco Precision Commerce Private Limited, Nasik.
So one thing what I was talking to Arnold, and Arnold was telling that they are able to get a lot of export orders, but when it comes to Indian manufacturers adopting this kind of system, they don't find value in it. What are your views on it?
I don't agree with this.
So you think that these kind of products can help Indian manufacturers?
Definitely.
So what do you find the easiness in this product, and how it can help your manufacturing facility?
No, I am not from the sheet metal. I'm
This
connected
one?
with this. Yeah.
This one, raw materials.
Yeah. Here, I want to suggest you something. You keep something here that will take all material to upper floor, upper level. Right now, you have to have one crane so that the crane will take the material to upper floor or upper level. I think this instrument, it has to
Vertically grow.
Yeah.
So he's Arnold. Arnold is with FLEDON. So I think what sir is telling is his concern is that now this material, if he needs to take, you need to have a crane. So how you can get it vertically?
Yeah, see, like I said, everything starts off with a baby step. So what we are presenting here is a manual-oriented system, which maximum height is about 2.3.
You made it excellent. You made it
Thank you,
excellent.
sir. Thank you.
But next step, it should be like this. If material keeps here, it should go to required location automatically.
Yeah.
With simple button.
Absolutely. See, we have that concept. That is called ASR. We've got this automated storage and retrieval system. We have that system. But what happens is because of the limitness of my stall here, so if you talk about exploiting a 6 meter, 7 meter, we can do that. We've got product which has got load sensors also. So the moment you put the product, it gives you the gross weight. You remove something, it gives you the net weight. So we've got those systems. But problem is, when you show a fully loaded car, you are not really presenting your entire value.
I agree. It's very easy to handle.
Thank you, sir.
Very simple design. Nice design.
Thank you very much for sharing your time. So this is what it actually matters when it comes to industry. What they need is the solutions. And I am very happy that you are able to create such kind of solutions, as well as whatever customers' material handling challenges are there, FLEDON will be able to help.
100%.
The ergonomics of the products, the expansion is very easy. So accessibility, the most important in the business for any factory is safety and accessibility. Because what is a material? How to flow the material? Because material, we only talk material. There is a planning of the raw material which is done in the factories and the manufacturing. But nobody talks about the flow, the process flow. So we have storage, we have lifting solutions, moving solutions. So now storage is also there. So in moving, we have AGVs coming up. So we already have a AGV, but we are waiting for our patent to come in.
You developed your own AGV.
Yeah, we are
so
developing.
you are having complete material handling solutions. That's amazing.
So, and we have right now, as for the affordability is a problem for some of the customers. So we have a manual pushback system also where they can take the material in ergonomic way. So the transfer, it is very easy. Yes, to machine. Wagons are very much used, and also the product customization. So we are very strong in that area. And we are learning. With every customer we learn. And every customer gives us that wisdom to us that what next.
From the challenge only solution comes.
Just for the sheet metal. It's quite easy to pull. So where you can just access the material and you can take it with the suction machine.
Say how much space you are saving.
Yes.
There is no dust there. That's what I'm telling you. Aesthetics comes not just by finishing. It is by how you manage your entire process.
Yes.
How you manage your entire production facility.
Yes.
Keep it clean, and that will show in your product.
Just to take a moment, I think this whole interview may not be complete till we really don't show the man behind this entire enterprise. So I think we must zoom out to our one and only Mr. Gabriel Gonsalves, who started this whole show.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine.
I was talking to Glen, and he told that before 40 years his father started.
Yeah.
And it is again our lucky that we are able to meet the person itself. And so amazing things. Before 40 years, have you thought that you will be able to witness this kind of change?
I have started a small factory near my house, and I have started a vendorship in Mahindra. I was working there firstly, and I started the vendorship there, and I do the Mahindra's work only. बाद में मैं साइसन ग्रुप में काम किया, लेकिन ग्लेन आने के बाद उसने सब अलग टाइप का काम किया.
So it's all about teamwork.
Not only sir, Gabriel sir, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? It is all about the start. It is all about the courage what you took at one point of time to start.
Yeah.
Now the second generation is coming up and taking it to the next level because they are able to find out the challenge, right?
Yeah.
So that is again I am telling you, Indian customers are also they are able to see the value. कोविड से पहले और कोविड के बाद दोनों अलग अलग सिनेरियो हो गया.
Exactly.
पहले तो ऐसे लोग नहीं सोचते थे, ऑटोमेशन बोले तो मतलब लोग बोलते थे. आज के टाइम में लोगों के पास इतना ऑर्डर है, वो लोग डिलीवरी नहीं दे पा रहे. एंड ओनली डिलीवरी कैन बी डन थ्रू दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑटोमेशन.
Exactly.
And seriously, meeting you is a great thing. People like you, we call you lions of Indian manufacturing, who makes India proud. Taken steps. Otherwise, manufacturing में और कोई नहीं है इंडिया में जो strong किया. China, there was a government initiative. They pulled and they made big. But India आज के डेट में कहीं पे भी है. It is because of people like Gabriel साहब, people like Glen, Arnold, who is taking this journey ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.